couple of nights. Use those tips that Courtney was talking about. Protect those plants.
And you want to protect your cockroaches.
Definitely. That's
as
on
well,
our list.
right,
too.
Meredith?
You're spraying for cockroaches today. Yeah. You should call that guy.
But
Come on down here
Bring
to the
him
station.
over.
These are not your ordinary cockroaches, according to Mike Bowley from Emerald Zoo, right?
Correct. Yeah. Hopefully, Steve, you don't have these in your house.
Yeah.
These
I
are
would move.
yeah. These are South American. They're called false death head cockroaches. And you know, of the about 3,500 types of cockroaches. Oops.
There we go. One.
Do it again. Drop it again.
Anyway, Mary, you want to hold one of these for me?
No, I don't want to hold one
They've
of
got,
these.
I guess their name is, I don't know if we can pick it up or not. On top of their head, it looks like a death mask.
Yeah,
Shoot.
they got their name because if you
Get away from me.
yeah, go from Steve. On the head, you'll see these little black markings, and apparently they thought that kind of resembled the death mask that some of the
It's going to be dead when she gets finished
Native
home.
Americans used. This is full grown. This is about the biggest they get.
Yeah.
And unlike a lot of roaches that are considered pests to people, these roaches are actually
Don't go up my
okay.
arm.
They eat decomposing fruits and vegetables down the jungles and rainforests of South America. They're pretty quick and they do jump, but they have what looks like wings.
Right.
But they
Just put your hand out.
you can actually scoop them up.
Oh,
like
well,
this.
it's so easy whenever you're not doing it.
I'd be glad to help you.
But they have looks like wings. They can't fly, but those wings will kind of are used to kind of camouflage themselves because if they kind of start curling up, they look like a leaf. So if
Right.
they're
And as far as eating, like I said, they're scavengers, so they actually help clean up.
No.
they sure do. Yeah, they're
Stuff
kind of
like
like
that.
nature's garbage men. So they'll eat that decomposing fruits and vegetables.
Mike.
We need a 30-minute
good
show
job.
of just Meredith with things she doesn't like.
Doing a good job. There you go.
No! This is the worst.
There he is. I got him. Oh, sorry.
I thought I gave you the easy one there, Mary.
Why are they so fast? Is this how big they get? Do they get bigger?
Yeah, this is actually about full
Like
grown.
dropping your
There you
hand.
go.
There you go.
Let him crawl on your
Walk right off
shoulder.
the edge.
And this is one of the animals people can come out and see at the zoo?
Actually, no, we don't have these on
I'm not
exhibit.
the only
But
squealer.
What are these, personal pets? Or?
yeah, well, actually, we got a new exhibit in our new education center. It's going to be opening up here on May 23rd on the cave roaches, which are the largest species of roach in the world. They're about 3 times as big as these.
Are they
No.
bigger than the Madagascar hissing?
Yes, they are. Yeah.
Wow.
And
No.
they're the true death heads.
Yeah.
And yeah, we might have lost one there.
They look like little tanks when they're running around, I guess. And you know what? We always hear the roaches are so indestructible they would survive a nuclear blast. They are a pretty hardy
They
species,
sure
aren't
can.
they?
Yeah, I've
In
dropped
fact,
this one like
one of the
5
fun
times.
facts about roaches, and I don't recommend Meredith to try this, but you can. They will live without their heads for about a month.
Really?
Yeah, so they actually will just eventually die of thirst. But they-
Even more
We got reporters,
terrifying.
same way,
Oh.
in the newsroom.
There we go. He's good.
Don't let him sit there and suffer.
They have such a good grip.
They do.
It's so gross. Okay, we can go and visit the Emerald Zoo.
We're open 7 days a week, 9:30 to 5.
All right, Mike. I thought we were friends.
You did great.
We'll be right back.